your dream structure could be built faster, stronger, and more energy efficient, all while saving you thousands in utility costs and tax incentives. At SunPanel Homes, we specialize in high-performance, sustainable structures built with structurally insulated panels, also known as SIP panels. This is a cutting-edge building technology that's revolutionizing the construction industry. Our energy-efficient structures are not only stronger and more durable than traditional builds, but they also reduce waste, cut energy bills, and can be assembled in days instead of months. You're not just lowering your carbon footprint, you're taking advantage of federal tax credits, state incentives, and long-term energy savings that make this one of the smartest investments in sustainable living. Our structures are designed for forward-thinking homeowners who value efficiency, long-term savings, and sustainability. If you're serious about building a custom structure with lower energy costs and eco-friendly materials, we'd love to help. But this isn't for everyone. We work with people who truly align with our vision, those who want a future-proof structure designed to last. If that's you, let's set up a 12-minute call to explore how we can make the energy-efficient structure of your dreams a reality. Before you schedule your call though, let's do a little prep work. First, grab pen and paper and write this name down, Mr. Norton. Second, sketch out the rough design of your ideal structure. What does it look like? What size and layout do you have in mind for your family? Third, think about the power needs inside the building. Are you going to have a workshop, EV charging, high efficiency heating and cooling? Listen, the sooner we talk, the sooner we can get into your new energy efficient building. Click the link below or scan the QR code to schedule your conversation today. Let's build something incredible together.